Hello, Doc Price here. Isang paalala lang, prevention is better than cure. So if you have health conditions and gusto nyong mag-lifestyle modification, yung gusto mag-low carb, mag-keto or carnivore, syempre, paalala lang na kailangan natin ng mga baseline laboratory, tapos magpakonsulta muna. Syempre, dun sa doctor na nag-a-advocate ng inyong gustong lifestyle. So, hindi siya mahirap as long as may naggagabay sa inyo at tuturuan ang tama. Mas maganda na meron kayong nasasandalan. Dito si Doc Bry. So, always remember, set a goal, proper nutrition, do fasting, and an active lifestyle. Be the best version of yourself. That you will evolve.